Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog. I hope you're all doing great. Today, I'm super excited to take you along to a fun place. It's called Dreams World, and it's located right in the heart of Frazer Town, Bangalore. If your kids love cars, bikes, or anything with wheels, you're in for a treat. Let's go check it out. As soon as I entered Dreams World, I was amazed. It's like a mini wonderland filled with everything a kid could dream of, especially when it comes to vehicles and ride-on toys. The store is packed with colorful displays, a wide variety of models, and so many exciting choices. Whether you're looking for a gift or just browsing, this place is a must-visit. Let's talk about the amazing variety they have. There are electric cars for kids. Yes, the ones they can actually sit in and drive. From sleek sports cars to cool Jeeps, there's something for every little driver. They've also got mini bikes, remote control cars, and even helicopters. Into action toys, they have some really fast skateboards and stylish step cycles. And it's not just the vehicles. The store also stocks accessories like helmets, lights, chargers, and more. Everything here is super colorful, well built, and safe for children. This place is perfect for parents who want to surprise their kids with something fun and unique. Whether it's for a birthday gift, a school reward, or just weekend fun, Dreams World has it all. You'll find toys for kids of different age groups and price ranges. If you're in Bangalore or planning to visit Frazer Town, I highly recommend stopping by. Alright, that's it for today's vlog. Dreams World in Frazer Town is truly a hidden gem for kids' toys, especially if your child is into ride-ons and remote control vehicles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun vlogs and discoveries around Bangalore and beyond. See you in the next video. Bye.